Hi everyone, I'm really appreciate to see you again on my video lessons. Today's topic is which sentences, if only, and I would like. If you're ready, let's start our lesson. Learning objectives. O'quv maqsadlari. Use wish plus past simple to talk about present wishes. Wish plus o'tgan zamon bilan hozirgi orzularni ifodalash. Use if only to express strong regret or desire. If only iborasi bilan kuchli afsus yoki orzuni ifodalash. Use I would like for polite requests and wishes. I would like bilan muloyim so'rov va orzularni ifodalash. Read and understand a short passages about wishes. Orzular haqidagi qisqa matnni o'qib tushunish. Now, pause the video and do the warm-up activity. Look at the pictures below. Tell your partner what you like to wish. Wish plus past simple. Hozirgi va kelajak orzulari. Subject plus wish plus subject plus past simple verb. Ushbu tuzilma hozir yoki doim bo'lish istaydigan narsa uchun ishlatiladi, lekin haqiqat emas. I wish I spoke English fluently. Be for all subjects. Inglizcha ravon so'zlashishni istayman, lekin so'zlamayapman. She wishes she had a car. U mashinasi bo'lishini istaydi, lekin yo'q. They wish it, they live it in London. Ular Londonda yashashni xohlaydi, lekin yashamaydi. I wish I were taller. Were not and was. Bo'yim baland bo'lishini istayman, lekin unday emas. Wish plus past perfect o'tgan zamon afsuski. Subject plus wish plus subject and had plus past participle. Ushbu tuzilma o'tmishda bo'lishni istagan narsa uchun ishlatiladi. Afsuslanish. I wish I had studied harder. Qani endi oldin ko'proq o'qiganimda edi, lekin o'qimadim, afsuski. She wished she had not eaten so much. U shunchalik ko'p yemasligini xohlardi, lekin u yedi. I wish I had saved more money. Ko'proq pul tejaganimda edi, lekin tejimadim. If only qani edi, afsuski. Present hozirgi zamon. If only plus past simple. Past o'tgan zamon. If only plus past perfect. If only wishdan kuchliroq, ko'proq his-tuyg'u va afsusni bildiradi. If only I could fly. Qani endi ucha olganimda, kuchli orzu. If only she would listen to me. Qani endi u meni tinglaganda. If only I had woken up earlier. If only I had woke up earlier. Qani endi ertaroq turganimda edi, o'tmish afsus. If only they had told the truth. Qani endi ular haqiqatni aytganda edi, o'tmishdagi afsus. I would like, xohlayman, istayman. I, she, he, they plus would like plus noun or to. Infinitive. I would like, I want dan muloyimroq, rasmiy va kundalik muloqotda ishlatiladi. Muloyim istak. I would like a cup of tea please. Bir piyola choy ichishni istayman, iltimos. Kelajakdagi xohish. I would like to visit Japan one day. Bir kun Yaponiyaga bormoqchiman. Maqsad. She would like to improve her English. U ingliz tilini yaxshilashni istaydi. Taklif savol. Would you like some coffee? Qahva ichishni istaysizmi? Bu taklif. Now pause the video and do the activity number 1. Vocabulary match. So'z boyligini moslashtirish. Reading passage. Zafar's wishes. Zafarning orzulari. Zafar is a 20-year-old student from Tashkent. Zafar 22 yoshda va Toshkentda student. He studied at a university, but he is not happy with his English. U universitetda o'qiydi, lekin u ingliz tilidan xursand emas. He wishes he could speak English more fluently because he wants to apply for a job at an international company. U ingliz tilida ravon gapirishni xohlaydi, chunki u xalqaro kompaniyaga ishga kirmoqchi. If only he had paid more attention in his English classes last year. Qani endi u o'tgan yil bo'lib o'tgan ingliz tili darslariga e'tiborini ko'proq qaratganda edi. He regrets not practicing every day. U har kuni mashqlar qilmaganidan juda ham afsusda. Zafar would also like to travel to UK to improve his language skills. U ingliz tilisini yana ham rivojlantirish uchun Buyuk Britaniyaga borishni xohlaydi. He would like to talk an intensive English course there. U yerda tezlashtirilgan ingliz kurslarini sotib olishni xohlaydi. His friend Malika has already been to London and says it was. Toshkentlik 22 yoshli Zafar ingliz tilida qiynalyapti. U ravon gapirishni va Buyuk Britaniyaga borishni orzu qiladi. Now pause the video and read the sentences about the text. Circle true or false. To'g'ri yoki noto'g'riligini belgilab chiqing. Again, pause the video and fill the work blanks with wish, only, would like, had, were, and could. Complete the sentence using the correct form. To'g'ri shaklini ishlatib gaplarni to'ldiring. Again, pause the video and choose the correct option. Videoni to'xtating va to'g'ri variantni tanlang. Lesson summary, dars xulosasi. Wish plus past simple, present unreal wishes. Hozirgi haqiqat bo'lmagan. If only plus past and perfect, strong desire and regret. Kuchli orzu yoki afsus. Wish plus past perfect, past regrets, o'tgan zamondagi afsus. I would like plus infinitive, polite requests or wishes. Muloyim so'rov yoki orzu. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Oldinga borish siri boshlashdir. This is end of our lesson. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.